Hi guys, welcome to my video. I'm doing a glam look today with some faces I'm pulling, and whoa, that fleeky look. Oof, look at my eyes. Oh, there you go. I've got that little hole in my mouth. Everything's Gucci. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we're starting now. I'm rubbing moisturiser onto my face. For some reason, because I've got dry skin. Yep, getting that. Okay, squirting some water, primer water, I think, onto my beauty blender. And then I'm going to apply some foundation, quite a lot of foundation by the looks of things. Don't know why. And then I'm just going to brush it on, you know, like you paint a wall, same sort of thing. There you go, dab it in. There you go. Get that right in the pores. Nice. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. And voila! I look like an Oompa Loompa. Nice, okay. Right, so we're moving on. That's sort of faded in a little bit. What we're going to do now is we're going to rub something onto my chin. Oh, we got something else now. What's this? Some more foundation, I'm guessing, but highlighty era stuff. Okay, so we're just doing this under the eyes. We're going for the Indian Army look today. Cool, okay. Oh, dabbing it in again. Hard dabs. And now we're baking. I know this. We're baking now. This is baking. I'm not sure what it does, but I think it stops it from cracking. There we go. Fantastic. Really going for the tribal look. There we go. Nice. Oh, close up now. Right, so we're going to Crayola our eyebrows. Cool. So we're getting into the finer bits now. There we go. Fill that in. Just don't go outside the lines, you know, as you're a kid. Same sort of thing. Okay. Okay. Right up to the edges. Nice. Nice. You don't want to go all the way up to the edges because then you look like you've got caterpillars in your face. Okay, cool. So we're just brushing off what we baked on. Okay, fantastic. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to dance badly. Okay. Cool. There we go. Fantastic. Okay, now we've got some sort of palette, a Tarte palette. We're just going to do our contouring now. So I'm just going to rub it into my hair quite a lot. Okay, there we go. Oh, on the forehead. I can really see it shine in the light. There we go. There we go. Fantastic. Get a little bit on the chest there. You don't want to waste any. Right, fantastic. You've got Kat Von D palette now, I think. So we're just going to basically go over what we just did. Bit of a waste, but you know, each their own. Disclaimer: this is amateur. Okay, there we go. Right, so now we're going to paint over the eyebrows again. This is not a tutorial, so if you hurt yourself doing this, we cannot blame. No, you cannot be blamed. Okay, my perfect colour. Not sure what that is, but it's going on anyway. Oh, more bad dancing. Okay, she's tapping something. Okay. Oh, getting right into the creases there. Love a good crease. There we go. Nice. Oh, don't look up, Ellie. There we go. Okay, going for a slightly darker brown now. The more tanned I've been on holiday sort of look. There we go. Add that on the creases as well. Oh, yeah. Just going to tickle my arm with it. There we go. Okay, I think we're finishing up now. There we go. Oh, look at the fleek on that. Wowee. Bit of gold glitter. Bit of golden finger. Okay. So now we're going with a slightly darker thing. Just going to go right around the edges. Make sure you don't, you know, mess it up. There we go. Oh, and on the bottom now. That's the kind of look like. Have you cleaned the room yet? No. Okay. So we're just going to draw on some wings now. Fantastic. Fantastic. Okay. Don't poke yourself in the eye. Like I said, disclaimer: we can't be held responsible for anything you do to yourself. Cool. Be very careful. Oh. We're going for the Egyptian sort of look today. So we're going to make it look a little bit like we're from the Aztec times. Okay. Fantastic. Oh, brilliant. We're finished now. We've magically finished the other eye as well. Here's what I did earlier. Okay. So now we're going into the inner lid for some real depth. Now we're going to put a little bit of mascara on before we stick our eyelashes on. Because, you know, counterintuitive, but you know, why not? Fantastic. Okay, there we go. See, we knew it before it happened. There we go. Okay, so they're going on with some tweezers. Fantastic. Like I said, be careful around your eyes. There we go. Nice. Oh, and the other one's on as well. Pretty magic, aren't I? Fantastic. Okay, we got some primer water now. Some setting spray. Setting spray. It's setting spray, guys. It's not primer water. So that's not a thing. Fantastic. Now we're going to go with some other stuff. There's a lot of powder, isn't there? Fantastic.
Maybe you know this.
Oh, she's just getting that highlight ready.
Hey!
It's that fleeky highlight. When she gets it on that, when she gets the right kind of light in. God damn. Okay, I'm not sure what she's doing. Just going a bit over the top now. It's a bit much. Okay, Eyeliner, calm down. Oh, good, fantastic, finished. She understood. Okay, now she's putting on some lip liner. I think. Yep. Crayoling up her lips. There we go. Nice, nice. Pink. There we go. Now we're putting some other. This is Primark makeup, guys. This is Primark makeup. £3 lip look. Get your lip look here. Fantastic. Be careful. Oh, more sexy dancing. And some slow-mo shots. These are the best things. These are the slow-mo shots. This is what you want. Bang, bang, done. Okay, cheers guys. Come again. Bye-bye.